Hi there, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Monday.com. This is ticker MNDY. Someone I follow on Twitter had been talking about Monday.com as a way to stay organized doing projects. And I thought, no, okay, I'll check out the website. So this week I've actually been playing around with the website, and I thought, oh, it's also publicly traded. Let's check out the stock. And it turns out it's breaking out of a little base here. You can see this pattern of consolidation. Went sideways here for about, just over a week. And today broke higher, closed higher, and did it on good volume. Now, after hours, you can see a little bit of action as NVIDIA earnings are kind of lifting all boats right now. But this is definitely a stock that I think we should keep an eye on because it's really close to its high from back here in February. Right around there. It hit a high back here just around that 171 level in February. And if I zoom out, it hasn't hit that level since all the way back here in April of 2022. And so we have a little bit of a cup, maybe a long handle, and then a little pattern within the pattern. And so while I think this stock is a bit extended above these moving averages right now, I definitely think no matter the day of the week, you should be keeping an eye on Monday for a pullback buy entry close to either the 8-day or the 21-day EMA, which is all the way down here. Now, like I said, this stock is a bit extended, but it could really get going if it breaks above that 171.85 level. In that case, you'd probably want to dial things down to an hourly chart and see how long this hourly trend could last. And so this is definitely one stock that I have on my watch list, and I wanted to share it with you. And so if you found this helpful, great. You should definitely, in that case, check out what we're up to over at StockMarketMentor.com. We're looking at hundreds of charts each and every day, and we have a very active trading forum where retail investors just like you are helping each other out as we do what we can to bring charts like this to your attention. So I hope you found this helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades. I'll see you next time.